All right, y'all. So we're right here at the taco truck. The one I was telling you guys about to pull up, talk to the owners. And I'm about to stop recording because I didn't ask them permission first. But I'll let you guys know what's going on. So you guys, this is this truck right here. We're going to plan it for Friday, a buyout. If you guys can hear me over the generator. This Friday, which will be the 25th, I believe, of August. You guys come support. It's right here on the corner of Valero's of Hammer Lane. What's right here? The shoe store, DD's 99-cent store. You'll see the red tent right here. We'll be out here Friday morning, all day Friday. You guys come support. You'll hear the music. 209 times, tag them. Gloves up, guns down, tag them. You guys come support the community. We need to come together, man, and you know, as a community, as one, and let them know we got their backs, man. Real quick, man. Friday, August 25th, I believe. Let me check the calendar again. It's this Friday, right here on the corner of Hammer Lane, in front of DD's Discount, 99-cent store, and the WSS shoe store. Looking, man. Look, it got the fire horchata, got the quesadillas, asada, everything you guys need this Friday. Let's come together as a community and show them we got their back, homie. They were just recently robbed at gunpoint right here, man. And they're still here. They're still working. They're still grinding. Hard working people. Stockton, homie, 209. Let's come together and let's do this Friday. I need all you guys to tag 209 times. Share this video, screen record it, share it on your Instagram, your Snapchat, your Facebook. Tag 209 times and tag Gloves Up, Guns Down, 209. Let's go, man. We need everybody to come out as one, as a community, and show these people we got their backs, homie.